This is the question. Consider an elliptical shaped rail PQ. This rail is elliptical PQ in the vertical plane with OP is 3 meter, and QO is 4 meter. This block of mass 1 kg is pulled along the rail from P to Q such with a force of 18 Newton, which is always parallel to the PQ. Yes, force is always parallel to this line PQ. Okay, assuming no friction loss, kinetic energy of the block when it we have to find kinetic energy of the block when it will reach at this point. So in this question we will apply work energy theorem. We know that work energy theorem states that net work done will be equal to change in kinetic energy, final kinetic energy minus initial kinetic. So initially the block is at rest at this point, so initial kinetic energy will be equal to 0, and there are two forces acting on this body. One is mg and other force is F, which is equal to 18 Newton. So we will find work done by this force. So work done by this force will be equal to, we know that work done is force dot displacement. So it means F into D into cos theta. Value of F is 18 Newton, and if body is moving from this point to this point, so shortest distance between initial and final point is this length, and it will be 5 meter. So displacement is 5 meter, and angle between force vector and displacement vector, so both are parallel, so angle will be 0, so cos 0. Then work done by this applied force will be 90 joule. And now we have to find work done by mg. So mass of the body is 1 kg, so it will be F dot displacement. The body is moving from this point to this point, displacement will be in the vertical direction, that will be equal to 4. So it will be mg into displacement into angle between force vector and displacement vector is 180 degree, because force is in downward direction and displacement is in upward direction. So mg is mass is 1 kg, g is 10, and displacement is 4, and cos 180 is -1, so it will be minus 40 joule. So net work done will be equal to work done by this force, which is equal to 90 and minus 40. So net work done is 50 joule. So now we will put the value of 50. So it will be final kinetic energy is equal to 50 joule. So we have to find the value of n. So n will be 5. This is the answer.